Are you ready to transform your financial future? Join us as we unravel the wisdom of Dave Ramsey and explore why you should pay attention to his life-changing advice. Your path to financial freedom starts here. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating discussion about the one and only Dave Ramsey and why you should consider listening to him. Who is Dave Ramsey, and why should you be paying attention to his financial wisdom? Brace yourself for a thrilling journey through the life and philosophy of a man who has disrupted the status quo of personal finance. Our story begins in the heart of Tennessee, where a young Dave Ramsey faced financial ruin, crushed under the weight of debt. His journey, marked by mistakes, setbacks, and ultimately, redemption, is the stuff legends are made of. Well, let's start with Dave Ramsey's baby steps, which is to pay off all debt, excluding your house, using the debt snowball. Now, if you're not familiar with the debt snowball, it's a concept that Dave Ramsey made famous. Rather than paying off your debts based on the highest interest rate first, he suggests lining up your debts from smallest to largest. The idea here is to build momentum by paying off the smaller debts first. Just like a snowball starts small and grows as it rolls, your motivation and habits get stronger as you pay off smaller debts. Dave believes that it's all about changing behavior and building positive financial habits. By focusing on the small debts first, you'll create a sense of accomplishment and motivation to tackle the larger ones. And here's something important to consider when it comes to paying down debt and investing. It's not always a one-size-fits-all approach. You have to weigh the interest rates on your debt against the potential returns from investing. If your debt has a high interest rate, it's typically a better idea to pay it down. However, if the interest rate on your debt is relatively low, you might be better off investing your money to take advantage of compound growth. Dave didn't just overcome his financial hurdles, he obliterated them. With a simple yet powerful philosophy, he clawed his way to financial freedom. It's a story that resonates with millions of individuals who find themselves on the same treacherous path. Dave Ramsey's pivotal work, The Total Money Makeover, has become the beacon for those seeking financial enlightenment. In this masterpiece, he lays out his proven strategy, guiding you through a journey from financial chaos to enduring success. The Dave Ramsey Show, a cornerstone of his empire, isn't just a radio program. It's a lifeline for people drowning in debt, seeking answers, and finding hope. With millions of listeners worldwide, this show has revolutionized personal finance. Dave Ramsey is known for offering straightforward financial advice that simplifies personal finance. He believes in keeping things simple. Let me explain why that's valuable. Personal finance can often seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Dave Ramsey simplifies it for you, making it accessible for everyone. However, it's essential to mention that not everyone agrees with everything he says, and that's where the debate begins. Some argue that Dave Ramsey's financial advice isn't always universally applicable. For example, he advises against buying a BMW while paying off your mortgage. While this advice makes sense for many, some believe there are valid reasons to consider buying a luxury car, even while managing a mortgage. Dave Ramsey's financial principles are intended to apply to a broad audience, but they may not fit every individual's unique circumstances. That's why some financial experts suggest a more balanced approach. Other financial authors, like Ramit Sethi and Julie, provide alternative viewpoints. They emphasize the importance of balancing financial goals, acknowledging that life is about more than just postponing everything until you reach a certain age. They also explore how some decisions, such as leasing a vehicle, can be tax deductible and not necessarily irresponsible. Dave Ramsey provides valuable financial advice that simplifies personal finance. However, it's essential to remember that financial wisdom varies from person to person. Make sure to do your research and consider multiple perspectives to make the best decisions for your financial future. Dave emphasizes the importance of creating and sticking to a budget. He believes that understanding where your money goes is crucial for financial success. Ramsey encourages living frugally. He believes that avoiding unnecessary expenses and making wise spending choices is a fundamental step toward financial freedom. Dave Ramsey strongly advises against acquiring consumer debt, such as credit card debt. His famous debt snowball method helps people get out of debt quickly. Ramsey suggests creating an emergency fund of $1,000 as a safety net for unexpected expenses. Once out of debt, he recommends building an emergency fund equivalent to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Ramsey's mantra is to get out of debt and stay out of debt. He despises all forms of debt and encourages a debt-free lifestyle. Dave recommends investing in retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. He suggests investing at least 15% of your income into these accounts and typically recommends mutual funds as investment options. In conclusion, Dave Ramsey's advice is valuable because he emphasizes getting out of debt, building an emergency fund, and securing your financial future. Dave Ramsey focuses on debt elimination, budgeting, and living frugally. These principles are essential for anyone looking to achieve financial success. Dave Ramsey's baby steps provide a structured approach to financial independence, and when combined with thoughtful investing strategies, you can truly reach your financial goals. If you found the insights and guidance in this video on Dave Ramsey's financial principles helpful, don't miss out on more valuable content. For in-depth financial advice, tips, and strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. Your financial future is too important to leave to chance, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Subscribe now and embark on your journey to financial success.